suppose you always have slight doubts when you start something like this. You can't really afford to have too much negativity.
Stan misnachal a bheith malcolm nu de háisce cógadach féming an sa kitchen ag a húin. Is é gamas a cangi a chrúachach a hocaich ad a dhéine i'r fegan húil.
Stèidhichte, what's the Gaelic for water? Sort me se, well, sinna réir cadhílú, ach Ishga mar is cúmanta.
You don't believe in your products and it's going to be successful, and it's going to be very difficult to convince other people.
Hiad dollamach a bheith Marston agus Malcolm a gopur ar a chompanaidh Hebridean seaweed. Ach ha tú science, yoda science ag Malky, Joanna Cúteach a gopur an a sôl cosmetics. Agus bheith sin fallach cin gymwrin rúdigin a bhí a dhéanú fécin a bhuach a bheasa némin sŵd yn y bwrin i bhí a dhéanú dis.
I think when we first started, I think we just thought, oh, just try it, and I don't think we expected it to be where it is now.
Ishga, it's a seaweed-based cosmetic. You know, the theme of it is seaweed, but it's also natural and organic, and we try to use as many natural ingredients from the islands here as we can.
Se Hebridean seaweed in factory femming is smó an breting. Had de richt die immer gneviges is company fegan hul. Stocha gewishnes jolige kuch ne wat lekker.
Be a dul go Hollywood Kujok, Pinewood Studios, on films, Pirates of the Caribbean, Kujok gal Les Miserables.
A red aisken charo Anne Hathaway heen ietsje dat ik oilische falach.
Bishin clachig femin shop, shot asco. Kujok bishin clachig fucus, agus Provisia, if ever shin clachig this small. An the shop bishin could femin one tish, because Jack at shin shop, agus be a dolvo piece and more good and piece and becca. Seo femin tírim a bhí dul sias go Ishga, agus bí Malky agus na híon défan sin bíad san na cú seo is deacha the cosmetic.
Yeah, I think, well, Ishga, when we did the initial branding for Ishga, we wanted to represent kind of be natural and organic, and obviously with the ingredients. You know, obviously the main ingredient in it is the seaweed.
Hachar wa maragiach an the Leòdhais fuchin. I'm nu wel céad blion a ddáisinis, agus chaní sin ule an húsiar, agus va cúdigin fó company maragiach va os ceanna lá héin, va Malkys, va Martins mihin, agus nimnahan cúteach, agus Leon von a Vleidswood, naine va company úrhóisach, nio va a gamas ar a company hóisach. Agus sé bhaga má aintse nach bhain, or chará anna macin ag an naim, agus bha níl a donéidir bha ceann na company, bha sin go mór scoláidir gen bheach go mich anam Gaelig mag a bhíú, ach sé fiachin dí anam Gaelig a bharags, mar sún bha mis na machclár i bhá mar go míoch bha chili gal facil ma chaniu. Dé Gaelig is son lovely, mi gra alín, boioch, facil gan heorsa sin. Gus mi ieddig was in diotol tjumuchels. Dat kun je een fakkel wat koorde ruwe. Snoorsen wat ik geri arams lichtrige janu er een fakkel. Eus anus kun je niet eens galig. Gapurin de gunje een fakkel gra. Eus mi ieddig hal han ik zien edash kunnen fakkel. Gain ik het what's the Gaelic for water? Soort me se. Well, snerir kavelu. Ach Ishga maar is kumente. Eus dat Ishga. How do you spell that? So me gra U-I-S-G-E. No, ga er sin dog oprig ach iach sin ja an de dói phonetic agus chord sin duas. Fashin you gonna viach genoor sin grasnog noor sin in gan nain alwoning eva a genu no berjala wat erach gain gala veshin je noor sin hanig vas die dus a gru er wil sin ulige ma jove genu.
Big Edvig, hud Ishga dachi elle, ik eentje is baas as klutig aan een alpe, ik cheshwian balle wasku.
Malcolm said to me, "Oh, do you think I'm going to send you pot of cream. And he said, do you think there's an opportunity to create a skincare range? And he said, well, I said, definitely, I think that there is, the spa is a growing market. There's a want for natural, organic, sustainable, ethically produced products. So, yeah, so he sent the face cream to me. It was very brown and stunk of seaweed.
Wat de goede konden de shabloch goprach as of lights with the fiachin, Jiffer hungin gnu that the wood cash.
No, it still stinks of seaweed. No, not quite right. I send it to Malcolm. Malcolm would say, I can't smell the seaweed. I would say, well, you're up to your elbows in seaweed every day, so of course you can't.
Wat de gra o kusvalag in yemin, kus lavender, kus shin, kus show, kus me yedig hör that a wood cash, I guess, would accord to the thing.
We discovered that seaweed had unique compounds called antioxidants, which were really good for your skin. It's full of minerals and vitamins also. And also, historically, they used to use seaweed for skin conditions.
Ben Malcolm Joanna na fiddioldige Sil Cosmetics is die hene tarak sin sherivish and soriche an een ballas jornadai. In show hai klakik maske de janu le parshin soriche von een jemming. Ha bonach gen elie eke show jut, agis ha kudjuchuk le imek jiffe julige tussen grachkin.
When you have somebody and they've got problems with their skin and they've had problems for years and they've tried lots of different things and then they start using it and they can see a notice. I like when I hear that, it's good.
And harvesting the seaweed from the Outer Hebrides and the beautiful secluded beaches and using the water from the healing well that's out in the middle of nowhere. And people love the romance. It's not just the story is good, but you have the science behind the seaweed as well.
An den jachtri na Eilean ha loig voor chud boon en al zet de graag wil klochen slani kutju. Ha seo ule hielig nu de hikat hunne lab. Farvel en jishach gopud two science jesachich Ishga son de bujen.
It's actually, if you smell the water, it smells slightly sulfur else. And that water, sulfur is one of these things that's good for your skin.
I love Monday mornings. They're the best. We like being outside, so it's good. Monday's a good day.
It's really important that we employ local people. There's a lot of talented people on the islands. The people that work in Ishga, most of them are educated to degree level. It's quite satisfying for me that I've been able to employ local people and especially local graduates who've gone away and studied but then have come back here to work.
Ha meer falliach genoering gaif kostnige gemal die Dynje in hij aan de Leòdhais. Ha mor an gynje goper in nachuch ga Hebridean seaweed agus ga Hebridean spa. Hier is a factory gevel tare goper dan big asin je nog as barach chorem an maar hitch kuisne derd agus ging home sin die taike gemal die griaviges agus die economy in Eilean.
So we will not move production all about where it's produced. It's exciting to create an international brand from Stèidhichte. It's fantastic. When you sit and you talk, you think, when you actually talk about it, you get more excited.
Nish ha ne kungian akers an funnig. So mis man commission gemasser we gaan bio aan de soul for the wild for the nicht quatas in jij heen stoge barach na wa nginoch egalaf.
I heard that almost every man in the islands is using it. We would love to build a spa up in the Hebrides with production and a lab beside it and have seaweed baths.
Quick a feast stock me ag na pushtar, gimi aan the freezers, quick a feast kami ach we gama tidig eking aan the barach gat in their cheat mode.
Come and have an Ishga experience and see where it's made and then go and have a treatment. I know that excites me, and I'm sure
I'll be
it
your first
excites
customer.
and I'm sure it definitely excites Malcolm.